Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is a bit of a serious one. I know on this channel we're always talking about developing ourselves and becoming the best versions of ourselves, which leads me to making sure that as much as we all try and work towards being the best versions of ourselves, work towards achieving our goals, work towards being successful, it's very important that we look after our mental health. Mental health matters most. I'm not going to sit here and highlight all the different things that can affect your mental health because that's different from person to person, but I think it's very important to recognize the things that may frame of mind, things that may trigger you, and things that might have an impact on your everyday day-to-day life. Some people go through life and they don't even realize, or some people don't even want to admit that they're having difficult times or they're going through a period where their mental health is not at its best. So just a reminder too, as much as you're taking care of other areas in your life, it's also important to take care of your mind. Without your mind, nothing really functions. If you're not in the right frame of mind, you're not going to give 100% into anything that you do, whether it's your relationships, whether it's your job, whether it's your business. If you're not in the right frame of mind, all those areas won't flourish. So one of the few tips that you can do when you find that you're going through a difficult time or your mental health is not where it should be, making sure you identify stressful triggers. If, for example, it's bad, you get triggered by bad news, you get triggered by being uncertain, or whatever the triggers are, just make sure you find ways of being able to cope with those triggers, or if anything, being able to avoid those triggers. Some people are affected by change. A sudden drastic change in your life usually may impact other people's mental health, so being able to understand that change is temporary and there's always a solution. The key here is being able to find ways to take care of your mental health. Even if you're not going through a stressful times, sometimes it's disguised. So being able to take time out for yourself and do what serves you, being able to connect with people, meditate if you have to, and do whatever it is that puts you at ease, and make sure that your mental health is taken care of, because nothing works if your mind doesn't. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.